So in this Robinhood tutorial video, I will be showing you guys how to buy Chiliz cryptocurrency here on Robinhood. So once Robinhood is opened up, at the bottom in the middle, press the magnifying glass icon. Then at the top where it says search by name or symbol, just start typing in Chiliz. So once you're here, Chiliz, ticker symbol CHZ, go ahead and select that. Then at the bottom, press on buy. Now on this page, you can type in how much of this crypto you want to purchase. So you can do $4, you can do $5, you can even do like decimal places, like whatever the case may be. Type in the amount, and if this looks good, press on review. Then on this page, you can review the transaction so you can see how much of the crypto that you're purchasing, the fees, and the total cost. And if this looks good, you can go to the bottom and swipe up to submit the order. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how to buy Chiliz cryptocurrency here on Robinhood. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.